This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite trades, Tesla. This video is for information purposes only. No recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, here on the daily here, let me just pick this up here. Okay, here's what we have. Okay, so today we had a nice gap and kind of go, but now you can see the topping tail here that's going on. So what do we have for key resistance? Well, you got to be able to close above this 251.22. That is your 50 SMA. If you can get above that, then what we do is look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 254.21, and then we look at your 21 SMA here sitting at 256.99. Now, if you can get above that 256.99, then we come up here to the 257.79, and then we come to the top of this candle right here, which is basically 260.86. That is your gap. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here, 262.46. Okay, so right there, 260.86, there's your gap. There's your fill. That would be your target if you can close above this key 21 day. Then we just keep on following these candles up here. Okay, you got 267.85 here. And then we can come right down here. You have 268.10. And then we have 271.44. We got a nice spike high here of 273.93. And then your retest up here at 278.98. Now remember, level to level. Now, on the downside here, you got to hold this level right here, 248.82. That is your 8 SMA here. Now, today's low basically is 248.60, okay? So, the top of this candle here is 247.55. So, it might fill that gap, because remember, this is the gap, and that's the fill again here. So, you got to be very, very careful here, but just watch this 8 SMA here and this 50 SMA here on a closing basis. That's key. Now, if we just sell off below, well, then you're going to do a retest here, this 242.32, and then you have a retest here at 234.58. Here, now on our weekly chart here, well, you know, you're just kind of hanging around right in the center here. What we have here is your 241.58. That's really good. You have your 8 SMA here at 244.82, and then you really need to get above this 100 a day at 249.29. That is going to be the key, okay, on your weekly chart. Now, if you look at here, your RSI here, well, you're looking good on the RSI here. Your MACD here, well, you don't have the crossover yet here, but it looks like your green is trying to curl up above the red, but we got to just see how that's all going to shake out here, okay? On your weekly chart here, plenty of room to run here on your RSI here, and your MACD here, well, that's just kind of a sideways action. It could go either direction here, okay? So what you really need to do on this particular stock here is you just need to scalp this, okay? So in both directions, because you can go TSLA for the long, TSLS for the short. Now, if this 234.58 is lost, okay, then you're going to come down to this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 228.18, and then I want to point out this candle here. This is 220.58. There's your gap, and then look to the top of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 217.58. That's the fill, and then your retest is 212.36 here on the bottom. Okay, but let's not worry about that until you know you close below this 234.58. Then you have a gap and a fill going on here. But always watch here, this key level here, this 50, the 21 day, and then this gap, and then this fill here, and then we can go to the big retest at 278.98. Once you can get above that, then we have a nice good target up here for another gap up here, okay? So this one here is 280.93, and then your fill, look right below that here, is you're looking at 289.52, and then you have a big retest up there at 299.29. So you got a really nice chart here. You can trade this in both directions here. So just be, you know, never have an opinion here. If it's on the way up here like it is today, then you take that scalp. If it's going to be selling off, then you take that scalp. Okay, thanks for watching.